house is made up of straws, bamboos, mud, etc. Today I am going to speak on Pakka house. Pakka house is made up of durable materials like bricks, cement, iron, etc. Iglus are houses or shelters made up of snow. They are usually found in very cold regions. They are dome-shaped. The entrance of an igloo is very short and shaped like a tunnel so that hot air would not get out easily. Thank you.